Start with the 18th example, and what is said here, a 250-gram block slides on a rough horizontal table. Okay, so this is a block and its mass is 0.25 kilogram I am taking, while it slides with an initial velocity of 40 centimeter per second, and after traveling certain distance it finally comes to rest, it stops. The coefficient of friction between them is 0.1. So first of all we need to find the work done. So as we know very well, work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy, that would be half m v square minus u square. So work done would be equal to half into m 0.25 into v square. So final velocity is 0 and initial velocity was 40 centimeter square, so that would be 0.4 meter per second square. So that would be half into 0.25 into minus 0.16. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. Okay, now 25 multiplied by 8, that would be the answer. So 8 5 is a 40, 0 4 carry, 8 2 is a 16 plus 4 would be 20 200, and decimal point will be after 4 digits, so 1 2 3 4. So 0.02 joule is being the negative work done by the friction here. If the coefficient of friction is 0.1, how far the block slides? So here that I can do by equating work done, which is minus 0.02 joule, by frictional force, that is maximum frictional force, into displacement 0.02. So it will be mu mg, so 0.1 into m into g 9.8 is equal to minus 0.02 into displacement. So the displacement would comes out to be minus 0.02, as work done by this is negative, so this minus and this minus sign must get cancelled out. So the displacement comes out to be 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon this 0.1 will be 10 raised to minus 1. 0.25 would be 1 by 4. I can write this 0.25 as 1 by 4, and this is 9.8. And on solving I can get the displacement as, okay, so let's solve this and get what is the displacement. So if I do 4 2s are, when 4 will go up it becomes 8, and we need to do 8 upon 9.8. okay, so what will be the answer to this question? So that comes out to be 0.082 meter. So the displacement would be 8.2 in centimeter approximately. Okay, thank you.